Hi everyone, hope you're doing fine. In this video today, we will see how to install your favorite CMS applications such as WordPress or Magento on your UKHost4u cloud solution platform. Remember, you have a 14 days free trial to experiment and get familiar with the platform. This actually gives you plenty of time to do your A/B testings and find the best configurations for your sites or applications. So once logged in to UKHost4u Cloud Solution dashboard, you can manage your environments, create and import new ones, or you can use the marketplace. The marketplace is, in short, a library of the most popular and requested applications which are configured. These packaged solutions can be installed automatically and directly from your UKHost4u dashboard. It allows you to skip many steps of manual deployment and optimization. To access the marketplace, just click on the button Marketplace at the top left corner of your dashboard. You will see that all your applications have been grouped and organized so you can easily find them. You can use the lookup tool or navigate through the sections. So let's see how we can install WordPress. You will find the WordPress standalone kit in the Content Management tab. Just hover the WordPress icon and click Install. You will be invited to enter a few details related to your installation, so let's put test environment and click Install to continue. You can see the installation progression and which task is being executed. You can also track the JPS package installation process in detail via the Cloud Scripting console. Log in your dashboard account and add the /console suffix to the URL. For example, app.ukhost4u.net/console. Okay? After all the required configurations, you will see the complete installation display, which will provide you the corresponding administration data. If you closed it, rest assured we also send you an email notification. You can click on Open in Browser button just here, and your Ready to Work application will be open in a new browser tab. That's it, you've successfully deployed WordPress using our marketplace. If you want to access your WordPress dashboard, simply add the /wp admin and log in with the info we've provided. That's it. Now, if you want to install Magento, for example, it's exactly the same process. Navigate to the marketplace, you can use the lookup tool, type in Magento, Magento version, you can name your environment and click Install. Thank you for watching and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.